Friends, in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Johnson's and Johnson's stock, J&J. My dear friends, this stock is currently on a verge of breakout due to multiple positive factors trigger on the stock simultaneously, and as a result it allowed us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate and buy position before and massive upside rally and massive upside move of $10 we can see immediately on this stock. My dear friends, this stock is currently trading near to an important resistance, and if that resistance will get break, you will find the massive upside move. And along with that breaking of resistance, the stock has already materialized and multiple positive factors, and with that all positive factors breakout, we could see a massive upside rally. So we will discuss the point where we can initiate and buy positions before and big upside move get triggered. My dear friends, this stock was under corrections since from September 2024, and the stock has completed almost a 4 month. The stock has spent almost a quarter under corrections, and interestingly the stock has given both kind of corrections, and price wise correction and a time wise corrections. In price wise correction, the stock get a very deep downside corrections, and under time wise correction the stock has done the sideways consolidation and it has broken out from the consolidation. If you'll make a closer look over here, this was in top where the stock has started the corrections in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back to back lower lows. If you could see over here, the first lower lows trigger over here, the second lower lows over here, and the last lower lows and the fourth years. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and here we got a two major positive signal. The very first positive signal is downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, and the second negative positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. And the impact of breaking of this downward sloping parallel channel of the upside, and due to that breaking of this channel, the steep downside of these price wise corrections got ultimately and break. And secondly, the lower lows shifted to higher highs. We take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move, unless and until it won't get any previous lower lows closing. As long as its previous lower lows closing is protected, the stock is all set for an upside move. And now we will see the diversions. If you'll place an RSI indicators, my dear friends, you will surprise to notice a positive diversion over here. The last lower low swing of the price action is tilting on the downside, but the same thing on the RSI indicators is tilting on the upper side, and here we are getting a breakout, and that going to pump an upside move on the stock. And my dear friends, here we will discuss on the chart pattern. If you'll see over here, we are getting a rounding bottom breakout, and this is a neckline. As soon as we will get the breakout above this neckline, $149, then very soon you will see the stock will be reaching $157. And before the target get trigger, in the middle of this target there will be a resistance. The stock will face a rejections at somewhere around $152, so there may be a possibility that stock may break the neckline and it may face a rejections, and it may again come to retest the neckline of the rounding bottom, and then again it started moving on the upper side in the form of the parallel channel here, how it had formed a downward sloping parallel channel. Similarly, we could see the same parallel channel moving on the upper side while achieving the target. And secondly, my dear friends, this once this neckline will end, please don't do immature trade. Don't simply go and initiate a buy positions. Never do that. You have to wait for a confirmation. You have to wait for a closing above the neckline. Don't do immature trade before breaking of the neckline. If you initiate a buy position, then there may be a possibility that you will get in a trap. So my dear friends, you will initiate a buy position only when this neckline will get break. When you see $158, $158.90 or round of $149 get break on a closing basis, then only you will initiate a buy positions. And once this neckline will get triggered, then this area of neckline will turn into an important support, because multiple positive factors trigger over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel broken out on the upper side. This was an area where we have seen the lower lows shifted to higher highs. This was an area where we have seen the positive diversion between the price action and RSI indicator. And this is an area where we have seen the rounding chart pattern almost ready. All we are waiting for a confirmation for a close above the neckline. And once we get a neckline closing above, neckline, then this area of neckline will turn into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. That's it for the today's analysis. If you like my analysis, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give a thumbs up to my video, my dear friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.